If you are in Forever Living Product International or any network marketing company, then you don't need to make a network of people. You need use the product more and more and share with others those products. Networking creates itself. You don't need more anything, any point to do it. Only use more products and love to share with others.